This story is so fascinating. First of all, talk to us about the challenges you had to overcome to make this work.
So it was really a very interesting problem from the beginning, right? Because we were trying to design a system, and it's very hard to get input into that system to be designed because we're actually trying to improve the communication in the first place. So being able to actually talk to everyone, you know, not just Stephen, but everybody who actually worked with Stephen to try to understand, you know, a lot of the complexities that he's facing and how can we actually make it better through things like improved sensing, adaptability of interfaces and stuff like that. So the whole process was very challenging.
There's only one muscle in his cheek, right, that actually interacts with the computer. How does that work?
Exactly. So basically his system actually consists of three parts. One part which actually is a sensor, an infrared sensor, that sits on his glasses, and it actually points. So every time he moves his cheek, it actually triggers a signal. That signal then goes into a software platform that actually then allows him to do things like, you know, virtual keyboard interfaces or moving a mouse or selecting from options and stuff like that. Once he actually types stuff that he wants to speak out, then the software platform will send that information to a hardware box that actually translates from the text to the speech. And that's actually his iconic voice.
So quickly, why make this open source, and how adaptable is this technology? Who else can use this?
That's a great question. So, you know, one of the problems with a lot of the solutions in the space today is that they're vertically integrated and they're proprietary. And if you look at it, there's tons of innovation that's happening in the space, in sensing, in word prediction, all of that. But the problem to bring something like this to market is really hard because people have to develop the complete system from scratch to just bring that part of innovation. Okay. So what we're hoping with actually open sourcing is that, you know, now people can just build on top of this platform, and if somebody wants to bring a completely new interface, they can just plug that into the existing system and take that out to market.